Okay, you're in Microsoft Word, you've performed a mail merge, but your currency values are not formatted correctly. All you need to do is right-click on your merge field within the document and go to Toggle Fields. Now that'll show this text here in brace brackets. What you need to do is leave a space after this field name. Then you type in a backslash and then a hash and then a space. So the next step is to put in your currency symbol. So for argument's sake, I'll put in $1, but it could be pound sterling or euro, for example. Then you put a comma, then a 0, and then if you need decimal places, you put in a decimal point and 00. So if I then right-click on this field and then update the field, you can see I now have that currency symbol. If I go to the second record, you can see it also appears there. Now, if you wanted your negative values to appear with brackets, you can do that. So we're going to toggle our field again, right-click, toggle field. So we want negative values to appear in brackets. So what you do is you type in a semicolon and then an open bracket, and then you copy these characters and place it after the open bracket. Then you need a close bracket. I'm just going to get rid of that space before the dollar. So that semicolon separates the format for positive values from the format for negative values. So if I right click on here and then update the field, you can see the negative value now appears in brackets, whereas the positive value doesn't.